Samahan niyo ako. Ride naman tayo ngayon. Vroom, vroom. Gaspol. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Turuan ko sila. Ingat. Bye.
Few inches later.
Ay, nako. Nasa Marilaki na ako eh. Nang tumawag. Tuturo daw ako. Kalimutan ko, meron pa nga pala ako klase ngayon. Ay. Thank you very much, Globe Maritime. Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
Good morning, Globe Maritime!
Yon, okay na okay ba tayo dyan?
Okay naman, sir!
Okay, let's start it!
Rope or sea anchor. The sea anchor is a cone shape of canvas bag, open at the both ends, one end being much larger than the other of 680 mm in diameter. It is usual to stream the sea anchor over the flow when heaving to, allowing the boat to ride end to end and in sea. Reduces the rate of drift, allows survivors to reach craft, helps keep crafts at location of casualty, ideally hold entrance to weather, helps to prevent capsizing.